NCERT Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 8, Exercise 8.3, Question 3. Choose the correct option. Justify your choice. To solve these problems, we will use standard trigonometric identities and simplify each expression to match it to the correct option. First problem. 9 times sec² A minus 9 times tan² A is equal to option A 1, option B 9, option C 8, option D 0. Take 9 as common, then 9 sec² A minus 9 tan² A is equal to 9 of sec² A minus tan² A. Now let us use the identity. Sec² A minus tan² A is equal to 1. Let us substitute this in the above expression, which is equal to 9 times 1 is equal to 9. Therefore, 9 sec² A minus 9 tan² A is equal to 9. Therefore, the correct option is option B 9. Second problem. 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta of 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. Option A 0, option B 1, option C 2, option D minus 1. 1 plus tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta plus secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta of 1 plus cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta minus cosecant theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. We have two terms. In the first term, let us take cos theta as LCM. We get in the denominator cos theta, and in the numerator we get 1 times cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. And for the second term, we can take sin theta as LCM. In the denominator we have sin theta, and in the numerator 1 times sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. In the denominator we get sin theta times cos theta, and in the numerator we get sin theta plus cos theta plus 1 times sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. The numerator is of the form x plus 1 into x minus 1, where x is sin theta plus cos theta, which we can simplify as x² minus 1. X is sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus 1 divided by sin theta cos theta. Now let us expand sin theta plus cos theta whole square, which we can write as, which is in the form a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, where a is sin theta and b is cos theta. So sin theta plus cos theta whole square is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta can be written as 1. So it becomes 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta. So we can write sin theta plus cos theta whole square as 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta. Therefore it becomes 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 divided by sin theta cos theta. Plus 1 and minus 1 becomes 0. Therefore numerator becomes 2 sin theta cos theta. We can cancel sin theta cos theta from both the numerator and denominator, which is equal to 2. Therefore 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta of 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta is equal to 2. Therefore from the given options, option C value 2 is the correct answer. Third problem. Secant A plus tan A of 1 minus sin A. The options are option A secant A, option B sin A, option C cosecant A, and option D cos A. Secant A plus tan A of 1 minus sin A is equal to secant A can be written as 1 by cos A plus tan A can be written as sin A by cos A of 1 minus sin A. We can take cos A as LCM, and in the numerator we get 1 plus sin A of 1 minus sin A. 1 plus sin A of 1 minus sin A is in the form A plus B of A minus B, which is equal to A square minus B square, where A is 1 and B is sin A. Therefore, the numerator becomes 1 square minus sin square A. And in the denominator we have cos A. From the identity sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1, we can write 1 minus sin square A is equal to cos square A. Therefore, the numerator becomes cos square A by cos A, which is equal to cos A. Therefore, the correct option for the given problem is option D, cos A. Problem 4. 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A. For this problem, we shall use two identities. First identity, 1 plus tan square A is equal to secant square A. Second identity, 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosecant square A. The numerator 1 plus tan square A, we can replace it with secant square A. And the denominator 1 plus cot square A can be replaced with cosecant square A. 1 by cos square A, and the denominator can be written as 1 by sin square A, which is equal to 1 by cos square A times sin square A by 1, which is equal to sin square A by cos square A, which is equal to sin A by cos A whole square, which is equal to tan square A. Therefore, the correct option is option D, tan square A.